What?
Hello guys, introduce yourselves, please.
Oh, I'm Matt.
I'm Rob.
Okay, and what are you doing on the beach production?
Eating sandwiches.
Matt. And
Teching for a game on one of the games on the beach.
Brilliant. So, are you enjoying it?
it's great fun, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is that what you would normally do of an evening?
Not really.
No,
It's a
it's a
nice
bit-
change, actually.
It's out of the norm, yeah.
Yeah. So, and where are you guys from?
Just starting.
Yeah.
Cool.
Well, kind of Melody. It's just outside for startings.
Okay.
Not like really.
And I hear you're in a band as well. Do you want to talk about your band
Yeah,
for a bit?
we're a band,
Oh.
punk band.
Pop,
One of those
band.
genres. Called Gecko Blaster.
Gecko Blaster, brilliant.
Yeah.
And are you on the web somewhere? If people look for you on Google, or
Yeah,
can check
Google
you out.
Gecko Blaster, and we're on Facebook
Yeah.
and MySpace, I think.
Well, we're working on a MySpace at the moment, so
Okay,
it's all
good stuff.
going
And
on.
yeah, thanks guys for all your help on the production.
No problem.
fine.
And eat my sandwich.